Look what just came in yesterday.
Boah, haben die neuen Auspuff.
Hello guys and welcome back to a new video from us. Look what just came in yesterday. As you can tell, maybe, it's a new exhaust.
Well, no shit, Sherlock.
Hell yeah. So, today, we're gonna be deinstalling this piece of shit and gonna install that new baby. We have to wait a few minutes because the exhaust is still hot and I don't wanna burn myself. Or we don't wanna burn ourselves. And yeah, exactly. We'll show you the installation and yeah, we hope it's an easy job.
Yeah, I hope so too.
We'll see.
We'll see.
So guys, we're now back. It's the next day because we have to cut the exhaust and we only got a steel saw.
Yeah, and that didn't really do anything.
Haben nur diese Scheiße zum Schneiden.
So my
Yeah,
friend
exactly.
got his flex with it.
Yes, sir. We got the flex now. We're gonna cut the exhaust with the grinder now, and yeah, we'll show you further things.
We will show further you.
Exactly.
We gotta use this shit to remove the fucking clamps.
Yes, so now it's day number 3. We had a lot of issues. Like, we cut the exhaust a bit, but the grinder didn't make it all the way through, like there was not enough space. So now we got this bad boy. And yeah, we'll see if it works with this. Yeah, and if not, we also got this bit to handsaw a bit. And yeah, and also a screw didn't come loose because shit was rusty as hell. And now we put some WD-40 on it and it came loose, so.
Yeah, some rust came onto my face.
You can do it, man, I believe in you. So yeah, one problem less. The bolt came loose, the rusty one. We'll show you further updates on the exhaust. Yes.
Damn, this shit is crusty as hell. Like, goddamn, when's the last time the previous owner cleaned it? So
God damn.
I think the dust in here is older than me.
Yeah, probably. So guys, we just cut off the old exhaust, as you can see right here. And yeah, with this thing it works so good. You have way more space than with the grinder. It's actually crazy.
And actually, it was easier to cut it with this than
Yeah,
with the grinder.
yeah, definitely. Because now, as you can see, we got a straight pipe.
It's not straight, but because it's still got the other muffler and the catalytic converter on.
Right.
It's basically just a muffler delete, but we gotta start it up and see how it sounds.
Yeah, we gotta do this. Hell yeah. So guys, as you can see, the exhaust is mounted now, finally. Yeah, I have to say I'm happy. Sound is also good. As you can see, the exhaust is kind of not straight. We don't really know why, but because we just mounted it like straight, and all the bolts and all the clamps are there where they're supposed to be.
And the other problem is the connection pipe. Is that it leaks a bit, so we gotta just buy a new extension clamp. And yeah,
Exactly, as you guys can see here, it's like it's like wiggling around. because it's not 100% fit. So there's a tiny leak. Yeah. It's a small problem, it's not a major one. It's just, yeah, you kind of have a bit of sound loss, not much, nothing tragic, and it's, I don't know, it's kind of annoying to know that it doesn't fit 100%.
But yeah, we'll get that fixed.
Exactly, yeah. We'll fix that, but for now I'm definitely happy. We cut off the exhaust, went very well, actually. That went well, really well. Yeah, it did.
We're gonna drop the car.
Yes.
And take a little test drive.
Exactly. You're gonna get a sound check and we'll take you on the test drive too.
Yes, sir.
So yeah,
Yeah, I swear.
the exhaust is now mounted, as we showed you, and it sounds so good. It's like more bassy, and it's not a lot louder. It's just like a better sound, you know?
I think it's breathing more, you know?
Exactly, and you can hear like the power in it. And before you did it was a nasty sound. It was like a rattle, and just didn't sound nice. But now, especially in like high RPMs, it sounds so good. Also, when you let off the gas, the
after sound.
yeah, exactly. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it sounds so nice. With the cold air intake, I think it's just a great addition to the sound.
It is.
Like it sounds
is.
really, really deep, really bassy, and I think that fits the car perfectly. Like a high pitched tone, I think it would fit the car actually.
Yeah, like a darker pitch.
Exactly. Yeah.
It also had some light bubbles.
Yeah. Right. You just heard that.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
the thing is, with a new exhaust, LED headlights.
Fuck them, man.
Now, because the thing is with exhausts, you have to first drive them, and then they sound better.
Yeah.
Like
that's
you
true.
heard that pop?
Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah.
Oh! Man, this thing is so nice.
It is.
So yeah, guys, that was it with the video. We hope you enjoyed it. And actually we have a great next video. I don't know if it's the next or like just a next one. Yeah, be hyped about that. We're gonna install new springs, new front springs. It's gonna be a special episode. Definitely be excited for that. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching.
And see you guys in the next video.
Exactly, see ya.
Yes, sir.